Hey everyone, given that triangle JKL is a scalene triangle, we have to prove that no two angles of triangle JKL are congruent. And what we're going to use is an indirect proof. So the indirect proof means that we're going to use a temporary assumption that the desired conclusion is false. So what we want to write down first is that suppose that two angles of triangle JKL are congruent. Now we want to prove that this is false, so we can prove that it's a logical impossibility, so the original statement is proven by the contradiction. So that's our first step. Just assume the false of that. Now, by the converse of base angles theorem, so we're going to write converse of base angles theorem. That means that the two sides opposite these angles are congruent. So if the angles are congruent, then the two sides opposite the angles are congruent. By the base angles theorem. And then so 3, we can state that this contradicts the information. And so that's what we want to do, is do a contradiction. Contradicts the fact, I wish I could spell, contradicts the fact that's given. And that is that triangle JKL is a scalene triangle. By definition, that means that all sides are not congruent. So, if it is a scalene triangle, then there is no way, so there's no way that the angles will be congruent. Therefore, by contradiction, we have proved that no two angles of a scalene triangle basically are congruent. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.